Hello and welcome to the session. Developing Individuals, Teams and Organizations LO3. Review the factors to be considered when planning training and development activities in an organization. How can training and development drive organizational success? This video explores the critical factors in planning effective training activities. Discover the essential elements that align with strategic goals and employee needs. Training activities must align with an organization's strategic objectives. This ensures they contribute to business success. For example, enhancing digital skills supports a company's digital expansion goals. Balancing short-term improvements with long-term development is crucial. Short-term training addresses immediate gaps, while long-term plans focus on future needs. Conducting a skills gap analysis identifies where development is needed. Performance appraisals and feedback help determine these areas. Involving employees and managers ensures training relevance. Holding focus groups gathers insights on specific needs. This process ensures training is valuable and aligned with organizational goals. Understanding learning styles helps tailor training methods. Offering a mix of e-learning, workshops, and activities caters to different preferences. Aligning training with career aspirations boosts motivation. Providing leadership training supports career goals. This approach enhances engagement and development. Budget constraints require prioritizing essential training. Exploring cost-effective options like online courses is key. Planning around work schedules minimizes disruption. Flexible learning options ensure participation. Efficient resource use supports effective training delivery. Using a variety of methods caters to different learning needs. Combining online courses with workshops reinforces learning. Leveraging technology enhances training effectiveness. Learning management systems track and deliver programs. This approach ensures comprehensive and accessible training. Evaluating training effectiveness is crucial for improvement. Using Kirkpatrick's 4 levels assesses impact. Gathering feedback helps refine programs. Post-training surveys provide valuable insights. Continuous improvement ensures training meets organizational needs. A supportive culture fosters learning and development. Promoting continuous learning is essential. Leadership support drives training initiatives. Leaders participating in programs sets an example. A positive climate encourages experimentation and growth. Compliance with regulations ensures legal adherence. Mandatory training covers essential topics like safety. Ethical practices uphold training standards. Inclusive materials ensure fairness and respect. These considerations safeguard organizational integrity. UK Versity Online aligns training with strategic goals. Surveys identify skill gaps for relevant programs. Training accommodates various learning styles. Budget management ensures cost-effective solutions. A blend of methods covers diverse needs. Strategic goals enhance organizational capabilities. Digital competency is vital for modern workplaces. Gap analysis identifies current skill levels. Comprehensive programs ensure baseline competency. Regular evaluations track progress and adjust strategies. Continuous learning is crucial for competitiveness. Organizational culture assessments guide improvements. Employee surveys gather feedback on learning opportunities. Innovation labs stimulate creative problem-solving. Recognizing contributions encourages ongoing innovation. Tactical goals implement strategic objectives. Project management skills improve organizational initiatives. Skills evaluations identify current capabilities. Targeted training enhances project success rates. Monitoring metrics measures impact and guides adjustments. Superior customer service boosts satisfaction and loyalty. Feedback analysis identifies improvement areas. Training enhances communication and problem-solving skills. Role-playing sessions provide practical experience. Surveys track improvements and guide training adjustments. Aligning strategic and tactical goals ensures cohesive planning. Regular reviews evaluate training effectiveness. Employee involvement secures commitment and feedback. Resource allocation supports goal achievement. This integration drives organizational success. A learning organization adapts and thrives in change. Establishing a learning culture is foundational. Skills gap analysis identifies development needs. A strategic learning plan aligns with organizational goals. Continuous evaluation refines learning programs. Formal learning includes structured programs and certifications. Informal learning occurs through day-to-day activities. Blending both methods creates comprehensive learning experiences. Learning communities foster collaboration and knowledge sharing. UK Versity Online exemplifies this integration. Training enhances immediate skills for job performance. Development focuses on long-term growth and career advancement. On-the-job training offers practical experience. Off-the-job training provides focused learning environments. Coaching and CPD activities support continuous development. Kolb's learning cycle involves experiencing, reflecting, conceptualizing, and experimenting. Honey and Mumford identify learning styles like activists and reflectors. Lewin's change model outlines unfreezing, changing, and refreezing. The conscious competence ladder describes skill acquisition stages. Reflective models like Gibbs cycle enhance understanding. Aligning training with strategy supports business goals. Comprehensive needs assessment identifies skills gaps. Customized programs meet specific needs. Leveraging technology enhances accessibility. Continuous learning fosters adaptability and growth. Aligning training with strategic goals is crucial. Needs assessment ensures targeted programs. Customization increases relevance and engagement. Technology enables scalable and flexible solutions. Continuous evaluation and feedback refine training initiatives. In conclusion, reviewing the factors involved in planning, training, and development activities is essential for building capable and high-performing organizations. Key considerations include organizational objectives, planning to PROBSA, skills gaps, employee needs, learning styles, available resources, and evaluation methods. By carefully planning training and development initiatives, organizations can ensure learning is relevant, effective, and aligned with business goals. Well-designed development activities enhance employee performance, support career progression, and contribute to long-term organizational growth and success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 4361688.